Hey YouTube, working on the imp again. This time I'm doing the transmission fluid in the 3-speed Borg Warner T96 transmission here. See the little part numbers there. And on the passenger side you have a side filler hole where I have this hose going down there. That's how I'm going to fill it. And then down at the bottom, right there, looks like a pipe fitting, square head, is the drain hole. And it only takes about a quart to get down under here. And you can see right there, that's that pipe fitting, that's the drain plug. It's right back behind the main oil plug. So it's not too hard to get to. I had to make this little catch box catch all the oil there, so it didn't just pour all over the floor, but pretty simple job. Just in case you wanted to see, this is the V4, Ford V4. I had the distributor rebuilt by Mark Ashcraft in Medford, Oregon. I think it's Saab V4 parts, something like that is his website. And he put the Pertronix electronic ignition in it, which makes it real nice. No more points. Be careful if you take that thing out. If you don't mark it right, you got to retime the engine, which I had to do. So at least I know now my timing's good. The carburetor's a little funky, but seems to work. That's that.